How to use Reddit anonymously or browse without logging in. Want to scroll through Reddit without leaving digital breadcrumbs? Here is how you can browse more anonymously. No official anonymous mode needed. One way to do it is browsing without logging in. You can visit www.reddit.com or old.reddit.com without signing in. You will still be able to read posts and comments, but you can't upload, comment, or post unless you log in. Great for casual browsing without linking activity to your account. Other way is to adjust privacy settings on your account. If you are logged in but want to keep things private, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Update Profile and then to Privacy. Under Privacy section, turn off these options. List your profile on world.reddit.com/users. Allow posts to your profile to appear in r/all. Show up in search results. Allow search engines like Google to link to your profile. This makes your profile harder to find and disconnects it from search engines. Extra privacy tips. Use a throwaway account for posts you don't want tied to your main profile. Avoid sharing personal details in posts or comments. Browse in incognito mode if you don't want Reddit stored in your browser history. And that's it. You can now browse Reddit quietly without putting your activity on display. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.